Hey everyone, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn any video sound into your iPhone alarm or ringtone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, you're going to need two applications: Ringtone Maker, which can be downloaded free from the App Store, and GarageBand, which you might need to re-download if you don't already have it on your iPhone. Now, the key thing to know is that you can turn any video sound into an alarm or ringtone as long as you can download the video to your phone. You can either screen record the video by scrolling down from the top right hand corner here and hitting the screen record button, or you can download the sound directly, for instance from TikTok or Instagram. Once you have the video sound you want, you can open up Ringtone Maker and import the video from your phone's videos. Then select the sound you want and hit Make a Ringtone. This will take you to GarageBand. In GarageBand, hold down the video sound and hit Share. Then select Ringtone. This will export the sound as a ringtone, which you can then find in your iPhone's ringtone section. To use the new ringtone as your alarm, go to your phone's clock app, create a new alarm, and select your new ringtone as the sound. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.